Hey everybody, this is Mansoor Suhail from the Accounting and Tax, cross-border tax specialists. In today's scenario, we're going to talk about 1099 NEC. One of my clients worked in the US for 1 month this past year. He was on a H-1 visa. Later, he moved to Canada and worked remotely for the same employer, and the question came up, is employer required to issue 1099 NEC? In this scenario, employer can issue a 1099 NEC for the 1 month wages that were paid to the employee, and if those wages were over $600 US. Employer is not required to issue a 1099 NEC for the whole year because the employee or the contractor did not provide the services in the US for whole year. It was only 1 month that the employee was present in the US and provided the services in the US. So moving on, the question is, who needs to use IRS form 1099 NEC? Here is the answer. Any form of non-employee pay over $600 is reported on form 1099 NEC. This umbrella phrase refers to any independent contractor, freelancer, or other self-employed individual who provided a client with a compensated service. In other words, any business that paid a contractor more than $600 in a tax year must submit a 1099 NEC for that contractor. So what is 1099 NEC used for? The 1099 NEC is used to report payments to non-workers in the same way that a W-2 form is used to report payments to employees. It is only how non-employee salesperson get paid. Contractor work is typically contract-based and for projects with a specific recurring task. So here comes the next question then. Do I have to prepare a 1099 NEC for a foreign contractor? So folks, as my client's business expands, they frequently hire virtual assistants and other talented contractors from other countries. And the question comes, do I have to produce a 1099 NEC for a foreign contractor? This is a common query around tax time. So here is the answer. If the foreign contractor is not a US taxpayer and all of the contracted services were performed outside the US, a Form 1099 is not required. Instead, you will need to ask the contractor to complete Form W-8-BEN. The Form W-8-BEN certifies that the foreign contractor is not a US taxpayer. The Form W-8-BEN is never submitted to the IRS. However, it needs to be held in your files in case of an audit. If you're audited by the IRS, the Form W-8-BEN will support your reasoning for not issuing a 1099. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website www.theaccountingandtax.com or give us a call at 416-283-8774.